Star Wars film The Mandalorian and Grogu will be available on Disney Plus on September 2nd. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Just 3 months after the film hit theaters and 6 weeks after it became available to rent or purchase in a digital format, the sequel to hit the series The Mandalorian will be available on Disney Plus. Both the series and the film follow the exploits of Mandalorian bounty hunter and his cute and cuddly ward, a 55-year-old member of Yoda species that presents as a baby. They age differently. It's a whole thing. The Mandalorian was so successful that it spawned an entire interconnected Star Wars universe on TV. The Mandalorian and Grogu received shallow reviews from critics, with many saying it seemed more like a series of TV episodes stitched together than a proper movie. While some may agree, but it's still a fun choice that's perfect for a Friday night Disney Plus watch party. As a matter of fact, it's likely to perform rather well on Disney Plus. It's a pretty decent flick for older kids and teens. The stakes are fairly simple, and there isn't all that much dialogue. That's because the two lead characters are a puppet and a guy in full body armor that barely speaks. Later, they're joined by the muscular son of Jabba the Hutt. This could even help Disney Plus with customer retention because whatever's going on over there, it doesn't seem like the platform cares all that much about its two most popular IPs. There's only one big Star Wars show coming up, and that's Season 2 of Ahsoka. There isn't much buzz about Marvel on the platform either. There's a show about Vision coming in October, and the 3rd season of Daredevil Born Again next year, but that's about it. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.